Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on a Thursday. And I think the best way to summarize today is I picked a fight with the NQ today and I lost. I can laugh now, but boy, I was very upset this morning, very upset at myself. It really, I mean, the market's the market. I can't blame the market, but it was just not my day. Let's just put it that way. And the mistake was sizing up too big in the morning and then changing my daily loss limit because of a big loss in the morning. And you know the story. One thing leads to the next, and before you know it, you're deep in the doo-doo. So here we go. But yeah, today let me just switch to just the funded accounts. Down 900, the worst red day I've had in several weeks. And really the undoing was this 150K. I mean, I'm still in profit, still plenty of drawdown. I'm not a horrible situation with the account, but I gave back everything that I had made this week on it. So that sucks. But the problem was this morning, I think that the issue I had today is I wanted the market to do a few things, and I was looking for that to happen instead of reading what the market was giving me. Let's put it that way. Like, if you look at the big picture, I was wanting this 400 level and the 500 level to reclaim for further upside. And honestly, I think we're actually going there. At least right now it appears that way. We kind of have a bit of a quadruple top here almost, but we'll see if this continues to push out of this in the overnight session. But I really wanted this to reclaim 400 and also reclaim 500. And obviously you can see on this is the 57 account, this 150K. I was chasing longs, and really the trade of the day for me really should have been right here at the highs. When we had these three wicks up here at the top, that should have been a signal to enter short and ride this move back down. That was the play. And what I was looking for this morning, I really feel like I missed this too. Right off the 800s, that was one of the best buys. That was probably even a better buy than this short up here. Had I gone long here around the 10 o'clock hour, that would have been a 945. That would have been an excellent long entry right there. So shame on me for not capitalizing on that. But what I did, the undoing was I went long right here around 11 o'clock. I went long after this big move up, and I thought we're reclaiming 400, and I was just a little bit too premature in my entry. And I went in with 4 micros and took a $400 loss. And I watched this thing give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities in about a 15-minute span to get out at break even, and I kept holding. I was a bag holder on that trade. Shame on me. Feels bad, but that's the way it was, and I can't change it. So like I told you guys before, you'll see the good, bad, and the ugly, and today on that account it was kind of ugly. So my daily loss is set for 400 on that account, or it was set for 400. Let's actually just change it back so that I don't make that mistake tomorrow. And yes, I know that now you say we've exceeded our daily loss. So what I did is that one trade took me to my daily loss for the day. And stupid me goes, I actually shut down the charts and didn't reopen them for about an hour here. And I don't know, maybe half hour. And then I talked myself after this move back down that, okay, we came back up to initial balance high, this green line. I said, all right, this thing, it's time now we're going to go short. And I went short with 4 contracts, and you guessed it, we lost that trade. That was I actually had 6 contracts on. I went short and added or DCA'd 1 time. Yeah, another another $400 lost. So now I was down 800. I think I took another trade or two somewhere on maybe on EM or ES. I don't see it. Anyway, I was down at the worst of it. I was down just a little bit over 800, and I got it back, got myself back to minus 533. That was the best I had it. And then I took these last couple trades. This was just a pretty evil move here at the end of the day. This level had rejected pretty much all afternoon. Kind of this 510 area had rejected, and I thought we might break out here after this failed to drop down. And then I went long and took a $100 loss there. And then I said, all right, well, I've taken my medicine now. It's gonna fall apart. Well, I went long or short, and obviously it just proceeded to rip up like what, 100 points from the 470s to the 570s. Yep, 100-point ripper, and got taken out again. Or I stopped out before I got a full loss. But yeah, just and then I saw this bear or bull flag forming. I saw this bull flag forming, and I thought, man, I should go long. But I was like, you know what? I've had enough. I've had enough today. I'm gonna not take that trade, and boy, it would have been a nice little winner. I obviously wouldn't have gained back 600-700, but still. So yeah, it feels bad. Just dumb execution on my part, and we ended up with a pretty red day on that 150K. So it's still 600 in profit. Still got plenty to draw down, so we can make it back. But definitely lost about 2 days of trading and 1 day of being red like that. So the other unfortunate thing, this one account that I almost lost about 2 weeks ago, I did lose it today. I've had every single day this week, I've reached my $200 daily loss on it. For some reason, that account just wasn't meant to be. And I increased my daily loss on it to 300 just because I said I've only got 260 on it. I'm either going to get it back today and get some profit, or we're going to lose it, and I ended up losing it. So the other two funded accounts, let's switch here so it's a little bit easier. The other two funded accounts, I really just took a couple trades and really break even, but I didn't lose anything on them, and I consider that a win for the way that I was trading the market today. The other thing on my evals, I did have a good day on the take profit, and I think I caught some of that during the overnight, I think. No, that was this morning after news. I don't know. Yeah, I did trade in the overnight. I did. Yes, I did. I did have some nice wins. Yeah, a couple $100 there, a couple $150. Yeah, I did have some. I had a loss there too, but I had a lot of that in the overnight session on that 150 or that take profit eval. But I've got it to 169, so we're not past yet, but we're slowly but surely gaining some momentum on it, which is good. And this one here, this 150K, I had it down to minus 900 today and brought it all the way back to plus $4. And I said, that's a win for me. Too bad it wasn't this account. It would have felt better if it was my funded account. But anyway, so yeah, that's a wrap for today. Tough day. I was not one with the market today. And really, if you look at it, for the once we reach this 400 level, we kind of traded in about an 80-point range, no, 100-point range, pretty much here for several hours, and it wasn't clean. I like it the best when we have clean levels like here. You have a rejection coming in, we rejected again at 4 o'clock, and then we held that. So I'm very curious, if does the market reopen tonight? Do we fall down and then continue a move upside? Do we fall apart? I don't know. So it does look promising. I would say it looks promising that we have further upside. I hope so. But yeah, we shall see. But I like it when it's a lot more clean like this. And I think the lesson there is, just don't trade it. If it's not clean, don't force it. And that's what I did today. I forced those trades, and, I wanted the market to do certain things, and yeah, it is what it is. Let's take a look at TradeZella. That's not as pretty a picture as it's been. 900. I have not dug through this yet. Win rate was decent today, 57%, but I had some big losses, a couple really big losses, and that's really what was the undoing. So we're down on the month about 930. I would think we have to be down about $930, 940. So yeah, we kind of had a nice thing going, and we had the bottom fall of the barrel on us today, but that's all right. Let's look at the trading journey. Since I'm on this micros journey, where are we at? We are probably negative about 500 if my math is correct. 487. So and we gave back some. Win rate still 61%, which is fairly good for me. Third red day now over what I think today is day 12 or 13. So yeah, it is what it is. We're going to have these lumps. I just want to stay out of streaks of red days. If I can come back tomorrow, be careful, trade a little bit better. Hopefully we can have a red day to end our week. And obviously, unfortunately, we have 3 funded accounts tomorrow instead of 4. So that's where we're at. I'll probably be getting a couple more accounts over the weekend, and then we'll try to work on some Apex evals, some 50K evals next week. So yeah, but that's all right. We're taking this thing slow and one step at a time. Today was a setback, but it's a bump in the road, and tomorrow's a new day. So that's that. All right, I'll leave you with that. Hope you guys had a good day of trading, and have a great night. Have a good trading day tomorrow. Wish you the best. It's going to be a weekend Friday. Let's get let's have a good day tomorrow. Let's have a good day tomorrow and have some green to take us into the weekend. So take care, have a good night, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow afternoon. So long.